Step on the brakes.
She looks clean. What's up, guys? Today we have a 2013 G37s sedan. Came in for lowering springs. They're doing the Tein S-Tech. Sick guy's waiting for me. So these are gonna be for the Q. Fuck. These are for the Jeep. So if you're gonna do a spring install, you gotta rent this from AutoZone. Did you do it, Fox?
Yeah, it's like $60.
Yeah, but then once you
get money back.
Yeah, once you return it, you get your money back.
Who's stock? I don't know.
Sure.
Hell no.
Got the first spring in. The first of
All I have is
8. Those are spacers?
Yeah. The big, huh?
1 inch? That'll be out, huh?
Yeah, that's what I have online.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't look bad. That is good.
You just have to just stop and think and stop and think and just take it.
This guy Jose has some spacers on his too. Pretty fucking clean. 1 inch spacers on his too. Looks pretty good. It's not JDM, but it's dope.
I thought you were to go.
Didn't you buy one? And then you returned it?
Yeah, I don't use Twitter.
Where'd you cop these from?
Amazon.
For how much?
10. Like $80. I said if Tina shuts up.
If I stepped up, right? So, stay loose.
You know what's good? Well, you remember what I did to you and Joey? Hey.
That'll be pretty good.
Oh yeah, right there. Yeah.
That'll be like spot on.
Still have the other jack on there.
Yeah.
Keep going.
No, it's tight.
Is it gonna look good, Foz?
It's fucking tight, nigga. But I don't know. Very good. Money.
Let me see.
That's sick as fuck, nigga. That's clean. Oh my god.
You hyped or what?
I'm hyped. I was scared as fuck though.
That's gonna look clean.
It's not hitting it.
That's gonna be good, bro.
The front's crazy.
I think it's because of the jack.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get this done. My dad's gonna be pissed now.
I'll make the title of the video lowering a subscriber's car for free.
Stop calling me a fucking subscriber, fool.
A fan, yeah, a fan.
I'm not unsubscribed.
So strong.
Pipe next.
Those are beats.
Jack it up and
Fuck you.
I know. I said fuck you.
I was already gonna do it, and you told me to do it, so now I didn't want to do it.
I know, bro. Can't tell me what to do.
For real.
Pay me.
Who do you think you are? You're just a fan, bro. You got mad at that?
No, nigga, I never get mad.
Is it good?
Hey, Hammer.
Bro, that shit looks good. What about on this side?
Now it looks like a sport car, bro.
Yeah. Let's go, Foz.
Yeah, you're not fucking helping.
Shouldn't take that long.
Alright, so do I go in the back or where? Go in the back, yeah. Yeah, you sit in the back seat.
Just kidding, we got some Mexicans in the trunk. How does it look? Oh damn, it went hella up.
Mexican.
I didn't get any before pictures, but I think Foz will send me them. So this is it right here. Just lowered this fan's. Lower this fan's car. car.
There's like some figure eights around here. It was this side that was hit. I said the paint.
That shit looks good, huh?
That's just sick, huh? Oh, he's gonna hit it. Now
Wait, hold on. Chill. Shit looks clean. So, huh?
that thing's sick. Hell yeah. I like this exhaust.
Shit. Huh?
Step on the brakes.
Nice. Shit dope.
Kind of exhausty how. That's it. I want to get one.
Do it.
2 days, it didn't have the whole weight of a car. Now it does.
So like in a couple weeks, it will be lower.
Damn, it's too low. Like I didn't want to ditch low though.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't want to ditch
Give you
low.
cash back, cool?
Why? For the lug nuts. Right there.
Is that Joe? It is Joe. What's up, Joe? What do you say?
So fast. I think I got like 2 seconds. Oh, you got 3? Yeah. I was gonna give you these. What's it? That's what you want. Oh, you know, I'll get it. Thank you. You're welcome, bro. Nigga, this is mine. I was no one hell like I got him at the house.
He's like, I mean, I'll get him.
I was like, why are you so nice?
So there's a fitment. Was, huh? That's crazy. And now you guys are best friends. So Spring's on this queue next. On Brian's queue. Didn't look dope too. Here your driveway is.
You can go up the driveway fine, just go at an angle. Go slow and go at an angle. Like instead of taking it straight on, always go like sideways at it. Like
Yeah. Here.
cats are gonna scrape. So you just gotta go slow and elbow sideways. That low like fuck.
Yeah.
Fuck. It's fine though, it looks clean. I mean, like Brian said, you only live once, so do whatever makes you happy.
Yeah. You said that, Brian?
Yeah, hit every pothole while you can.
Why?